Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Today we are doing a review of the Kaja Roller Glow, and this is an 01 Cosmic Laundry. It's the only one they have right now, but I'm assuming they are going to come out with more. I kind of got this on a whim. I seen it, I thought it was cute, a little bit gimmicky, but I was really interested in this roller here. So if you guys want to see if this works and how it looks and if I enjoy it, then let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm trying out a new foundation and I know my under eyes are super bright, but I'm kind of liking it, so it's good. Once everything's on, it will look better. But we are trying the new Kaja Roller Glow. So this guy is a highlighter that has an actual roller. Just think of it as a super tiny paint roller, and it's a balm, and you just kind of dip her in and zoop right on, and we're gonna see. So this is what the balm looks like, and it says to kind of roll it in there a little bit on your first use to kind of warm it up. Okay, this is ridiculous. Like, you cannot get the film off of the mirror. Like, what's the point of having a mirror if you cannot get the film off? Okay, I have been fooling with this for several minutes and I'm like already frustrated with this product because you cannot get the stupid film off. Like, normally a film has a little place to pull it up. This does not have one. Like, there's no place to pull it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our roller in here. I'm just gonna use a different mirror, and I am really pushing down on this, and like nothing is coming on my roller. So it said to warm up the product. Start rolling this right on the cheeks. So I think the roller is actually a little bit too big. Like, I like more of a, I don't know, more concentrated. Like, half this size would have been better for me. But that's okay. Okay. I see it. It's kind of like a glossy glow. Let me dip back in so we can get some more out. Go ahead and go back in with our roller. Like, I was expecting glitter on the face, but you see over here it's just pretty flat, and over here you have just a really nice balmy glow. Like, I'm kind of liking it in this weird way, and I really thought I was gonna hate this. You just don't get a lot of product off, like, as you're rubbing it in there. Like, you really have to rub it in there, and it says, like, for your first time to really warm up the product. So I've been doing that for quite some time now. But if you keep going over it, it's starting to remove my concealer. So you definitely just want to really get it on the little roller and then leave it be. But let's go ahead and go in over here and see if you guys can see that application. Oh yeah. Alright, now I think we're good. Like, you could really see it. I'm serious. I totally thought I was not gonna like this at all, and I am somehow loving it. I know. It's just really, like, diffused, and it just looks really pretty and really natural. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of this face, and we will be back. Okay guys, so here we are with a full face on, but I love this. I honestly went into this, like I said, I thought I was not gonna like this. It was kind of gimmicky and this and that, but you guys, I love this. I highly recommend it. I think this would look beautiful on bare skin, absolutely. And then if you want more glow than this, then you could easily layer another on top. But I love this. I love the concept. I think it's easy. Once you got that product warmed up, it just boop boop and you're done. Like, I love this. And I mean, I don't have a lot of makeup on. It may look like I do, but I don't. I have on foundation, bronzer, this highlighter, and then, you know, my brows and my eyes, which my eyes were super easy too. But it looks really, really good. And I think it would look good with a full face of makeup on. It gives me enough of a glow. And it does not look glittery at all on the skin. And I think it just, I mean, it looks beautiful, you guys. I love it. So I definitely recommend, I think this was $24, $25. I want to say $25. This is one of the most surprising products I've tried lately. I absolutely recommend it. And you also get an extra little roller, a little paint roller. I'm going to have to work on getting this film off the mirror because I mean, this has to come off. Like, let's get real. It has to come off. But besides that, I definitely recommend it, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys are having a great day. Please subscribe and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.